MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, TireRack.com, and Haggerty.
If you are saving up your money to purchase a McLaren 720S, bad news, McLaren doesn't make it anymore. Good news, it's been replaced by this 750S. Even better news, we've come to wide open Roebling Road Raceway to find out if a higher number really means higher performance. Admittedly, we're not mathematicians around here, but we do know that when a brand like McLaren replaces a car called the 720S with one called the 750S, it usually adds up to more performance. So get out your calculators. Time to crunch some numbers in this 2025 McLaren 750S Spyder. 710 plus 30 equals 740. That's the amount of increase and total horsepower that now emits from this midship-mounted 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It comes to life with authority and heats up its entire surroundings quickly. Torque output is 590 pound-feet. 7. The number of gears in McLaren's seamless shift dual-clutch transmission. Engine and transmission working through 3 powertrain modes, comfort, sport, and track, with unique themes for the column-mounted digital gauge display. That lies behind a great-feeling carbon fiber steering wheel that is gloriously free of control switchgear. 20% is how much bigger the rear wing is, as McLaren still has some of the best active aero going, not just providing road gripping downforce, but adjusting to reduce drag on straightaways, and it even adds stability under hard braking. 66 pounds. That's how much lighter the 750 is compared to the 720, but we had to turn this into a complex equation by getting the Spyder version, whose power folding roof assembly adds 108 pounds back. It tucks away into its storage well in just 11 seconds, and the roof panel itself can optionally have an electrochromic treatment that can shift from opaque to transparent to control the level of outside light in the cabin. The cabin itself is purposeful, but also way more comfortable than the usual supercar environment. Materials are first-rate, with much more than just the necessities here, including Bowers & Wilkins audio and a smoothly integrated portrait-style infotainment touchscreen. Part of the 750S's weight loss plan includes new standard carbon fiber racing seats. But these comfort seats are a no-cost option and felt superb on the street and still locked us into a comfortably supportive position for track work. 1/10 of a second. That's how much quicker the 750S gets to 60 according to McLaren. But unfortunately, we were not able to bang out any 2.7-second runs of our own, as our track time at Roebling was cut short due to a rare coastal Georgia snowstorm. Something that numbers can't tell you is just how much fun it was on track before the white stuff arrived. Despite all the power coming out of that twin-turbo V8, which sounds phenomenal through the new high-mounted stainless steel exhaust system, it never overwhelms the tremendous balance of the chassis. Gear changes are immediate, and the large steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters have a very precise feel. McLaren claims that the 750S's suspension tuning is softer up front and firmer in the rear. But just like the 720S, it feels light, powerful, and purposeful, with quick response to inputs, immediate power delivery, and a hyper-willingness to turn into corners that take some getting used to. As did how far we could stretch those braking zones. The 750S urging us to dive deeper and deeper each lap. Carbon ceramic rotors are standard, the red paint on these calipers a bit extra. The 750S is built on the same basic carbon monocoque structure as the 720S, but 30% of the parts attached are new. The lightweight polished wheels and Belize blue paint job on our test car definitely had us thinking Surfside. And its 90s exotic aerodynamic shape just makes us want it even more. Government fuel economy ratings are 15 city, 19 highway, and 17 combined. If your mental calculators aren't smoking yet, try punching in these numbers. $370,000, the 750S Spider's starting price, and then subtract $21,000 to get to the base price of the standard coupe. We could have just skipped all the math and simply agreed with McLaren's claim that the 2025 750S is the lightest and most powerful full production McLaren to this point. But by actually breaking down the numbers, it's easy for us to clearly see how it all adds up to the best McLaren ever. Class dismissed.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.